Hello everyone, I am back with the reading today. So this is card 1. Again, this side is your card 1 set and this side is your card 2 set. Just close your eyes, take a couple of seconds and decide which one you want. Yes, I am combining two cards. I don't know why I've been wanting to combine 2 cards, so I'm combining. So let's see. Okay, so we will open the first card. 3 of Swords. Something has hurt you, something has upset you, something is really stressing you out, so you are worried. But if you see this card, there are 2 swords which are stuck inside, but there's one sword which you have taken out. So you are a very strong person. Whatever is hurting you or upsetting you today, remove it from your life, move forward, remove the other 2 swords also. You are strong. You know you can handle what has happened in your life. You know you can come out of whatever it is that has troubled you or hurt you so badly. Because I would just say, whatever happens for some cause. And I would also suggest here, maybe I'm just feeling guided to carry a clear quartz, carry a rose quartz with you today, so that your mind is clear and your negative energies are getting converted. Now those who don't have also, it's okay. If those who have can follow it, okay. That's a beautiful miracle card which has come. I surrender it all. So maybe the universe is saying, surrender it to me, leave it to me, I am there to handle it. Now today you can do one more thing. What those who believe in Shirdi Sai can call on him. Those who believe in archangels can call on him. Whomever you feel guided to, just call on them and say, I surrender it to you. If you take me, what I do is I just tell, oh Baba, I'm surrendering all my issues, all my troubles to you. You are the one who has to handle it. I don't know how you are handling it. So I just want you to handle it for me. Same way you can say to whomever you feel the connect you have, and I'm sure they're going to handle it and they're going to make you come out of it beautifully. So let's surrender it and don't hurt yourself. Don't get upset with what has happened, because all happens for a cause. Now let's see what has come in this card. Oh, that's a beautiful card. 7 of Cups. Lot of options, lot of opportunities, lot of cups closed. So you are wondering which one to take, which one not to take, what to do, what not to do. But again, if you see here, all are Aladdin's cards, Aladdin's cups, more like genie cups. Whichever you take, I'm sure success is going to be yours. I'm sure you're going to be successful. So today I see your day as a day of success, a day of happiness, a day of bliss and pure joy. Let's see what the miracle card has to say. Sometimes no is the most loving response. Now see, maybe you are trying to select all the 7 options, so it is telling you not to do that and just to select what you feel guided. I'm sorry for my pet making that noise. So I would just say, go with the flow. If you feel you need to say no, then please say a no. And for this, I would say carry a tiger's eye with you if you have one, or in the morning, make up your mind that today, whatever happens, if I decide to say no, then it is going to be a no. Have a blessed day, everyone.